Man sets himself ablaze near Trump trial. In a startling turn of events on a Friday afternoon, a 37-year-old man, identified as Max Azzarello, set himself ablaze near the Lower Manhattan Courthouse, where jurors were being selected for the criminal trial of former President Donald J. Trump. The incident unfolded at approximately 1:35 p.m. in Collect Pond Park, just across the street from the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse, sending shockwaves through the surrounding area. Eyewitnesses described scenes of panic and horror as Azzarello, doused in accelerant, ignited himself in flames, despite attempts from onlookers to intervene. The intensity of the fire could be felt from a distance, prompting swift action from law enforcement officers who rushed to the scene to extinguish the blaze. Azzarello's actions were preceded by his presence outside the courthouse earlier in the week, where he distributed leaflets espousing anti-government conspiracy theories and held signs critical of various entities, including New York University and former presidents. His behavior in the days leading up to the incident hinted at escalating distress and erratic conduct, with a history of arrests and disruptive behavior in his past. The man's motivations appeared rooted in deep-seated beliefs regarding government corruption and conspiracy theories, as evidenced by his online presence and statements made prior to the incident. Despite efforts to understand his actions, Azzarello's extreme act of self-immolation left him in critical condition, with little hope of survival, according to authorities. The incident occurred amidst the backdrop of a highly charged political environment, with the trial of former President Donald J. Trump serving as a focal point for heightened tensions and emotions. While the trial proceedings remained unaffected, the shocking nature of the event underscored the potential consequences of extreme expressions of dissent and activism. Witnesses recounted moments of disbelief and shock as Azzarello set himself on fire, initially mistaking the act for a prank or performance until the severity of the situation became apparent. The incident prompted reflection on broader issues surrounding mental health support and intervention for individuals exhibiting signs of distress or instability. As the investigation into the incident continues, questions linger about the broader implications of such desperate acts of political dissent. In a society fraught with division and polarization, the need for dialogue, understanding, and compassion remains more urgent than ever. The tragic outcome serves as a poignant reminder of the profound impact of political turmoil on individual lives and underscores the imperative of addressing underlying grievances through peaceful and constructive means. What are your thoughts on the perceived pattern of higher death rates among those linked to Trump?